right. Janet? So, it's us, board monkeys, and we're going to show you how quickly you can get from the water shuttle dock in Cabo San Lucas to the nearest beach. And it's a nice beach. So, we're going to do this in real time. Let's go. First, you're going to walk the gauntlet. Then you're going to make a left.
Can I give information, buddy?
Like I just did. We're going to walk around Marina Mercado, Arts and Crafts Market. If you watch one of our other videos, we walk through there. Now you can go up that way, but I like to go down past this building and make a right.
See sea lions when we walk through.
Well, hopefully, right? Is that one laying out in the water right now? By the way, there are 3 ships in port today. And by in port, I mean docked out in the harbor. 3 ships. Carnival Spirit, Emerald Princess, and the ship we're on, Carnival Frenzy. See that? Sea lion, seal, whatever, sitting out there in the water. Hear that language? So now we go up around this way. And it might seem a little remote. We've done it 10 times or more. Watch out for cars. Of course, we just came from there. That's Marina Mercado. We're going to walk up this street. And make a left. Janet? Have you ever seen it this crowded in Cabo?
No.
I don't know that we've ever been here with 3 ships in port.
We've been here with one other ship.
But the dock is a nightmare. And I'm thinking there were more vendors, more people trying to sell tours to us than usual. So, right here, you make a left. And I imagine these are people off cruise ships. That must be a bride, right? Used to be, if you wanted to climb those hills, you had to walk through this guy's yard. And I guess it's still true, in a way.
Ask him for permission. And sometimes he says yes, sometimes he says no.
We did it once. He said yes. By the way, this walk is, I think, 1/3 of a mile. You know. Oh, there's some people going in. And there's some people coming out. Going to say 600 meters. Of course, there's the dogs in there. Lots of dogs. So I don't know if people are paying him or what. Yeah. Where these trees have died and disappeared, there's now just a big hole. By the way, over here on the left is a Navy base. little store. Remember, the prices are in pesos. 17 pesos to the dollar, give or take. Now what we've done is circled around this end of the harbor. You can see. That's where we started, with blue canopies over there. And this is where we're going. I think this little place is called Ernesto's. And I also think next door you can rent snorkel gear and stuff. Maybe umbrellas. We're going to cross the street here. No cars coming. This street makes a loop around that building. Enrique, not Ernesto. Enrique. So, 2 tacos, Cameron Pescado, Coca-Cola. Remember, 17 pesos to the dollar.
Lola,
Hi!
welcome to Enrique's Place Restaurant. Come to try with the best fish tacos in town.
See? So we delayed there a few seconds, of course. Here's the facilities if you need them. Notice there are no locks on a couple of them. Well, maybe they're inside. And here's the beach. There's a short boardwalk. Don't litter. They got a recycling fish there. Throw your bottles and cans in there. We are right here. The beach is blue flagged. I don't know. Oh, yellow flag. Wow. So information booth. Yellow flag. Precaution. Just like back home. I'm guessing this is umbrella rental.
Hi, one umbrella for rent, amigo. Umbrella, chair.
No gracias. There used to be palapas all along this beach. And then a couple years ago they cut them down. Some people say it's so they could rent umbrellas. I don't know. Hey, you can see the 3 ships. That's the Firenze, that's the Emerald, and the Spirit is way off in the distance. So I'm right down to the water, almost. I'm not going to go in the water because I'm not wearing my water shoes. There normally isn't a boat beach there, and if you cross those rocks there's another beach, and if you cross more rocks there's another beach at low tide anyway. And so, I don't know how long that took us, but
About 7 minutes.
that's getting to the nearest beach in Cabo San Lucas.
And it looks like it's cold.
So from Cabo San Lucas,
I'm Janet.
and I'm Garrett.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!